Hello, my people. Hello, my beautiful people. Now, good morning. Now, good morning. Now, good afternoon. Good morning, guys. I'm trying to share myself out first. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I been please, now take come on with prayer. I want to come beg some people for this social media. Person don't tire. Eh? Person go just dey they do it thing they go. People will just they find that person trouble. Me I not sabi find trouble. I beg when me share this video so I go feel reach where the thing won't go. I beg. Mona share, mona like and follow, please. Good morning to you all. Good morning, good morning. Now beg I can't beg our Edo people with this social media. Some of them, may they mind their business. Now peace I carry come, please. Come here, I know they find trouble. I no fit shout. Be wa wo me. Be wa wo me. Mona share this video, please. Now Africa I dey run my network. Okay? I not dey Europe. Now Africa I dey. I go dey run network. I know wetin network they cost for Africa. I know they run data. I they run Wi-Fi. I they pay every month. I they run network like now where they Europe. As now they tell they run network. Now start they run network for where I dey here. Ask anybody. Senegal is fucking expensive. Their lifestyle is European system they are following. Everything about here is tax. You pay. Just like you are in Europe. You pay tax. You have 24 hours lights. Even when they take the light, it doesn't more than 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Sometimes you guys will see me. I will be here. The network will just went off. It will not take 3 minutes. They will bring it back. It's just that I don't want to come in. Good morning. Good morning. Much love to you all. Because I don't want to come in. So now Africa I dey run network like this. So make person wey dey Europe not gonna find my trouble. Get as it be. Understand? Get as it be, my people. And the truth make we dey talk. Now it will set us free. I do voice of truth. I'm not out to look for people troubles. I don't want people to just look me like I don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Okay. So my people, share this video. I just share myself out before I come go into the main topic. What kind of a thing is that? Babo they walk, monkey they chop. For where that one start from? You have to, if you want to make more money, you need plenty money to be gallant. Go and use your own sweat. Work it. Use your own time, bring it out. When I go there, I'm not go show person road though. Many of them are not go there, can't show person road. Say, my sister, see the road where you go follow, become here. Okay? This Facebook, this page, I've been in Facebook for a very long time. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Much love to my beautiful mommy in the house and beautiful daddy in the house. I lower to all of you. I greet you now. If not be on power, I know we'll say that here. Thank you for being here. God bless you all. So, what they call it? I was in YouTube, Facebook for a very long time. I was in Facebook and YouTube for a very long time, but I love to this presenting of thing coming out. I'll be doing it in my normal Facebook page. When you go to my normal Facebook, not the page, normal Facebook, if you want to go and trace, you will see that I'll be doing this thing. But I doesn't know that the only way you will grow, that people will know you, it is page. I doesn't know that it is page, but I was doing it in my normal Facebook. But the person that called me one day and said me that you are doing this thing in your Facebook, you will not grow. Nobody will know you. Where you love to do things like this, they don't do it in normal Facebook. They do it in page. I said, what is page again? That was ODL. Sometimes in this life, when you see someone that is good to you, someone that show you the road, don't hide it. Say it out. Let people of the world hear it. Let people hear it. Because why? We Edo people, some of us, we don't know how to help each other. We don't know how to make each other to grow. When you say it out, they will go against you. Why do you say it? But the truth is there. We should not hide away from the truth. ODA that called me from Africa yesterday that, Mommy Saivere, this thing you are doing, you cannot grow. You are just what I call it, doing talking in your normal page. You have to in your Facebook, you have to open page. I say, which one is page again? Me, I don't understand one, because why? I'm not the type that always embrace social media. I don't even know that there is a page, there's things like that. That is the reason why when I came in, I see it's just like, what kind of noise is this? I expect everybody to do things decent. I expect everybody to create their own content of things they want to do, because that is what I know, and that is what I love to do, and that is the reason why I'm in social media. So I don't know that there is another way around the game of trouble in social media until I get into page and I see what is going on. So that is how she put me through. As she put me through, then I now open my page. That is how, and I know that, oh, you have to open page to follow up like this. And I've been doing it for many years in my normal Facebook, and I don't even know that it's through page I will grow. That is someone that teach you how to fish. He teach you how to fish. He did not say, let me leave her there, be stupid, let her be behaving stupid there. Let me just leave her there, she doesn't know. Some of our idol people, they would see it, but they will not show you. They don't want you to come and meet them. They don't want you to come and grow more than them. They don't want you to come and be in the same field with them. But you not forget that even when I am there, I am not doing your thing. I'm doing my thing. Everybody with his own thing. We all are not climbing the same step. We are coming out with different ideas. So you will still arrive where you are going to. I myself, I will still arrive where I'm going to. Don't block my way. Let me do what I want to do. If you know the way, show me. And that is how I show people too. I tell people too. We need to grow. Even when you oppress that person will still arrive there. Somebody else will still teach that person that this is where you need to go to arrive there. Okay? So that is how it is in life. So even when you try to like block that person that I don't want to teach her, I don't want her to come up. Millions of people have page. Millions of people are there. It's just out of your selfish interest. That is the reason why you don't want to tell that person that look at the way you go about it. But at the end of the day, I now open my page. After that, she did not stop for that again. My YouTube, I was a YouTuber before ODL. My YouTuber was there. I was still doing the same thing that I love to do. But I doesn't know how to grow my YouTube. I doesn't know how to go about it. She's the one that still come and enlighten me, tell me how to go about it. At the end of the day, I follow all the old steps she told me to do. Today now, my YouTube is monetized. At least I'm happy. I'm growing. I'm climbing step by step. When you go to my YouTube, you don't see anybody content there. It is my own content I'm putting there. I create my own. I take my time to do my thing. That thing that I know, that thing that is in me, I want to bring it out for people to see it, to reach people. So I do my thing. I don't take people videos and put in my YouTube YouTube. No, I don't do it. From the beginning, from the scratch of my YouTube to the end, it is me, only me. Is what I create is me. So I will not love for somebody to just come. You see my YouTube in Facebook. I'm doing my talking. You don't know how I compose my topic. You will just come. You watching me. You don't even share me. You will just carry my video and take it to your YouTube channel and use it to be getting viewers and use it to making money. That is bullshit, man. That is bullshit. That is nonsense. You don't even regard that person. You don't even call that person on the phone. You don't even take no permission from that person. Who do you take me to be? Do you think that if I dey Africa, come in Mumu, the Africa where you come up from, can't go Europe? Now the same Nigeria where you come up from. Me, I'm not there Nigeria. Okay? I dey for semi-Europe. Okay? So if I dey here, outside country when I dey, this I not get sense, or I don't know what I do. Now you wise, now you smart, now you know how to chance people. Or you think that I don't know how to cut people videos and put in my YouTube channel? Interesting people video I watch. I used to say it. I don't want to involve myself. I don't want to cut people videos. I don't want strike in my YouTube channel. I don't want problem, because I believe that I have my own thing. I have my own thing. That is the reason why I open my YouTube channel, because why? I have something to offer. I know things I want to do. That is the reason why I open. I'm not opening for people sweat. I don't open it for people idea. I open it for my own personal idea. That's why I open my YouTube. So I'm running it with my sweat, and I want to eat the benefit from it. I don't want people to take my sweat and use to run your own and get your money and come to my front and come and be showing me guarantee way. And you are using my idea. You are using my content to be running money in your YouTube. I don't need it. That is how some of our Edo people are doing. When you talk now, they will call you to be a bad person. I always love to go to the point. I always love to go to the point. What you know they cannot do to you, don't do it to somebody. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not right. If you ask me, the only way you can, I'm growing. That means you are very wicked. I'm growing. You are taking my video and putting your YouTube channel, and I'm still growing. I'm still growing my YouTube channel. If maybe I've grown, I'm Davido, what I call it, Viv, I've grown. When you are taking my video, I call it scratch. I don't worry. I don't care about it, because why? I've already arrived where I'm going to, but I'm still climbing. I'm still going from scratch. Okay, I'm still climbing. I'm still going from scratch. I'm still going from scratch. Then you are taking my own video. You are taking my content and putting it and using it to be making money in your YouTube channel. For what? By the time I want to upload my video, YouTube will refuse me to upload my own video, to monetize my own video, because why? Somebody else already take it, already monetized it. For what? For what reason? Esther Talk Show, go and bring down my video. If not, I give you strike. I give you 24 hours to bring down my video from your YouTube. Bring it down. I went to your page in Facebook. You don't even share me. That means you are not even my friend. You are even my enemy, because you don't share me. If you don't share me, and you are taking my content and putting your YouTube to make money, what do you take me to be? Am I a fool or you are the fool? I don't know. I'm not going to approach you in a good manner, because why? If you respect yourself, somebody will respect you. If you respect me, you will call me, because my number is my page. You will take permission from me. You will ask me if I will like. Simple as ABC. You will ask if I will like. Will you like me, Edo Voice, to pick your video? It's left for me to say yes or no, and it's left for me to explain to you the reason why no and the reason why yes. For you not to take permission from me, that means you feel so gallant that you can do it. You are the one paying my Wi-Fi. You are the one paying my rent. You are the one sponsoring me where I'm sitting down. So you have right to just get into my page and just cut my video and just take it to your YouTube channel, because I don't have YouTube channel. You just put it there and start making money from my video. I give you 24 hours before I report you. I'm going to strike your video, strike your YouTube. Yes. And anybody that take my video, you take my video and go and put it to your YouTube channel and make it a research. If I come across it, I'm not going to come and tell you first. This is my last video to do about it. Please, 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 please. Let's understand ourselves. I beg you in the name of God. I'm just coming up. I'm just growing, okay? Don't take my video and put it in your YouTube channel, okay? Only Aproko is the one that is carrying my video here. Aproko carry my video. When he carry my video, he will write up of my video. I used to see. That's why I didn't say nothing. He will say from Edo Voice of Truth, so that if anybody see that name, you can able to trace my page and promote me too. So that is the reason why when Aproko carry my video, I don't worry, because why? He always puts my name there, Edo Voice of Truth. It's not nice, Okay, now people are working. Okay, let me leave myself. Like ODA now. I saw her video she completed this morning. She will wake up in the morning, she's going to work. D'accord? She will wake up in the morning. She has four children. She will wake up in the morning. She will go to work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. She will close in the evening and come back from work and rush to go and bath to bring her that time to do a video. And with that, somebody will just carry a video and just take it to your YouTube channel and go and drop it with ease without calling her. Why people are so mean like that? That woman that is going to work from Monday to Saturday, that's excuse for how many hours? At least someone that do 8 hours, even 10 hours, and get home around 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the evening. Before you will run after children, what they will eat, put it together, and start going to the bedroom, take shower, and come to the live video, and spend hour or 30 minutes or 2 hours again. You have to go to bed early to go to work the next day, and you will just come, you will just take a video and go and put it in your YouTube channel with ease, without even calling her, without even taking no permission. That is nonsense. That is complete nonsense. What you know that somebody cannot do to you, don't do it to somebody. Please bless him, please. I beg in the name of God. I call you in this my video because I cannot speak grammar. It's like it's those big grammar. Some of our Edo people can understand. Some of them they cannot understand this English I'm speaking. Please bless you. Come and help us. Come and help us. We beginners. We beginners in YouTube and Facebook page. Come and help us. It is not nice this way. Please help us to blog it. Okay, even some bloggers in Facebook that is blogging people video. You will carry somebody's video. You'll be using it to make millions in your page. You will not put that person name there, so that people can still watch the video and look at the person name and trace the person page and promote the person. Then you just sit inside your house as a blogger, and you are carrying people in video, is giving you money, you are building house, you are enjoying with it. The person that you are carrying this video, he cannot even have 1 naira inside that video you are used to make money. Nobody should, no bloggers, only Aproko. Because why I saw the reason why I saw only Aproko, because Aproko is putting my name there. He's putting Edo Voice of Truth there. At least he's promoting me with my name. Through that Edo Voice of Truth, people will trace my page and people will come and promote me. But both they walk, monkey they chop. Okay? Aproko is carrying my video. He used to put Edo Voice of Truth there. Any blogger, if I see my video on your blogging page, I see my video there, and you are not putting my name there, I'm not seeing Edo Voice of Truth there. You just put it there, just see it like that. I will report you. Don't say I did not tell you. I will report you. Please. Please. In fact, I don't even want, before anybody carry my video, only Aproko is the one that is carrying my video. Please. Even though it's only Aproko, leave it. Even though it take me 1 year, 20 years to grow, no problem. I prefer it that I will leave it. Because anybody that respects you, you have to respect that person back. In fact, that he carry my video and he put a Edo Voice of Truth there, let only him carry him. Nobody should carry my video. Please. Share my video for me to grow. Share it. Not to carry and use it to make money. There's a difference between sharing and carrying. When you carry and you don't share that person, you are using that person's video to make money in your pockets. That is wickedness. Don't carry, share me. And Esther talk show, she put my video in her YouTube, and she's not sharing me in her page in Facebook. What do you take me to be, fool or idiot? I give you 24 hours to bring down my video. Bring it down, or I use my hand to bring it down for you, so that those viewers, those little people that have checked it, I will bring it down. You cannot put my money in your pocket. It is not possible. It is not possible. Please call back again. Call back again, please. I was not looking at my phone. It's not nice at all. It's not nice at all. It's not fair. Unfair justice. What kind of thing is this? Let me call this person back. It's not nice. This is not how we'll be doing it. Hello. It's on speaker. I'm in live video. Hello. What happened now? Sorry.
Hello.
Hello. Ire live video. Ire live video. AJ.
Moi speaker.
Okay, already speaker ne.
Moi speaker.
Already speaker ne.
Cause Bava.
Cause
Bava Wednesday half time you were now so it is morning.
Okay. Moi speaker ne. Okay. Already speaker.
Me was bonana berry. Na berry ta. So my sister hey. Egbinya woman. Or your womanary or any ati about your womanary or all these people no more video man. Let me use the English. I go first give all the thanks to I go first say thank you Aproko, thank you why always me maybe na income be while I be like Mexico now. I go thank them also, but before anything, because why I thank them, that they promote person by putting your name, ODL, they will still put your name, curing the curable, don't name it true, they will put in name before they'll come write a topic. And also, I go still write them message personally. Say, if I do video for ODL, and the video now just 30 minutes, may they help me share, no problem, they go share. because 30 minutes they not go coffee cutter or 20 minutes video. No need of cutting. You don't kukuma share, abi. That one they okay. If the video don't pass 30 minutes, they will come the cut am to convert am to their own, no problem. But the rest people will be say they don't let you. Okay, it is also here now. Is over when I rule a deli in the shop. Rani ale ya sowa by the level. Maybe I have free time. I'll call live video sit down. After you don't use your 3 hours sit down talk finish. They will just carry out all these people will be say they want chopper. Inya ga iwa vue inya ya mu ye YouTube. You where they carry a video, you get your YouTube. They're not going to ring think can say this person get YouTube. Maybe if he need the video, or make I call and make I ask and say, Kato, I want to make use of your video. Is it okay by you? They will not respect you, not ask you. But if you can't report them, you don't they complain. You can't they hear, you can't they write different comments. She is an evil person. She is crazy. She did not ask before she report. She did not ask before she. Do you ask before you take it?
Okay.
Do you ask before you take it? Many people they use and make parable say, "Oh, mi omaga, we cannot na mi ekori yori la. Wa better gari ebo who walk him your way." If person see it, come say want take on go come they shout they cry. I know say we not be anybody for where all these big people they go, for where all these abats they all these stainless and all of them. We all of them not big, but me where they come up, you may you walk. If you go YouTube, if you finish this video now, my sister, enter YouTube, go check YouTube, Nigeria people, this thing. It be like Kemi, come they see this one picture, Stella's picture, Obiakun picture, Sarah video, all of them, there is no it's not organized. If Nigeria is something you rich Nigeria people, and you overuse and we be say, go people say, will come they look like, what all these people, they come be like prepare. It's not organized. Like trash.
No organized.
Go YouTube this thing. Imagine person block person video. He carry person video. Just imagine now. Me not talk about that dead person. They can't write rest in peace for that person body. They can't put my picture where me take they cry. My enemy take they cry. They can't put picture where they cry. They can't put the body for the middle right rest in peace. Right rest in peace. Ask me whether na me I can kill the human being way die.
I tell you.
Ask me whether we even talk about the way die. Or they won't
wicked people.
So that people go attract them, they'll come quickly can look at. And see that guy now in the cry said they lost the page, they fall the page. First, like that was do not good. You way they cry said they fall your page, video not be your own. Nigeria was when you report your own page, video not be not even be the owner of the video. The owner your day side palo they now go they use na own selfishness they disturb the man. If agume ya in here, if I go na own selfish interest na come una not the do the approco and all these people take the blog. Una not they look blessing. You go collect your video 10 and you go talk. Put
exactly.
Put your effort.
Huh?
Put your effort. Not just carry that 1 hour. We best stuff for beginning. You can't go change the topic. Go put out for your own ass. In short, this frustrating and it's not nice. It's not nice. Me way do video. All of them go say me way do video. I get €7 for video when me do. You way carry my video go for YouTube. You get €150 for the video where you not even know how to.
I go strike anybody when I see my video for YouTube channel. I no go come here come talk. I dey give you strike.
You get €7 for the video. I dey beg una if my video na 30 minutes, more na not carry make una the airport share. Sharing go dey give us more awareness. Sharing go dey give people to know us. If my video na 30 minutes, make una like wetin I talk, share am for that your blogging, share. So that if you share, anybody click on, they go click and come my house.
That is
and
it.
If you cut and carry and come out, all work is here. You don't go, man. Many Benin people will be say they don't understand this. They go they talk say why they cry. So anybody know me video now we get I go in short be like say because of them. I'll fly for this matter for them. I beg carry on with your video.
Well, thank you. I beg do fly. Go bless will carry their heads go to that side. What's it? Thank you, mommy. Thank you. Yeah. Hey, my people, not truth. Hey, I want to go okay now truth. It's not good. We all are still growing. We are still climbing the step. Hey, When I go to carry all these tough people, the way don't grow finish, we be say their YouTube don't balance, they don't they make millions. Not be us, we be say we know they make 1 naira from inside. We just they start from scratch. Even when my YouTube is already monetized, we are just starting from scratch. We are still building. My YouTube is not dirty. My YouTube is for my special program, for something that I know, me myself, is neat. I want YouTube to promote my YouTube and push it to the right neat way. Let me click with people to the right arranging part of YouTube. Not those dustbin where they gather all those from our Nigeria people. The way they turn YouTube to dustbin. Chaka. That's why any slight mistake, they will just strike any report. YouTube will just throw them out. Because why YouTube is safe and fed up about them. Any slight mistake, YouTube will just dust them. Because why they are not putting it together, they are not arranging it, they are not doing it the way it's supposed to be. Please, I beg you in the name of God, don't carry my content. Please don't carry it. Don't carry it. Because why? I don't know how to carry person, you know. I don't know how. If you wait for me for the 100 years, say, oh, she's made no, anything she will carry person will give her strike, you know, go see me. If you the way say any day when I will carry somebody on, you will give me strike, you know, go see me. Go and trace my YouTube from the scratch to the top. I'm still going. Nobody finger there. No finger of one person is there. Everything about my YouTube channel, it is me. Because Isa Bene, Isa Bene, I know they carry person. I don't want me person to say why you can't carry am. And I they feel say why I won't go carry person thing. Person don't take his own time, compose his own video, his own content. Maybe you don't get sleepless night, arrange everything. I can't carry for my own. So I get cautious. I'll say no, I'm not gonna do. I'm God forbid though. I better make I do my own. I not be that kind of person. I dey find my money for my own self. I dey use my sweat, my idea, everything I know to look for my dream. I know they carry person on. So most of them, that's how I know they enjoy and say. Because if you build your YouTube and you can't monetize your YouTube, if not only you they do your thing, you go carry that YouTube, you go enjoy and reach 100 years to come. Nothing will happen. They will not pull it down. They will not destroy you. You will be growing. Time will come, self. Even though you don't upload no content, you will sit down. Your money will be flowing in your accounts. Your money will be flowing in your account. Because why? You are not using people's sweat to make the money. Anything you use people's things to do, it doesn't last. It's just for short time. Sometimes just short time, you will just eat the money. YouTube will sweep you out. People like us that doesn't carry people on, we are just doing our thing. Only our own we are doing, going. We always take time to read, to follow all the law, the things that YouTube forbids. We always take time to avoid it, not to go against their law, and we will enjoy our YouTube till old age. That is how it's supposed to be. You are working in the company, respect the company, respect your manager. Respect people you are doing, so your salary will continue. So that you go there for that company, can't work, can't reach time where you take pension. They go pension you, they'll begin to pay you for your old age. Because when you obey your company, you know say this place, now they for the get food, they put in my mouth. So you don't go do you just follow your work, you respect your work. And when you come the old, they'll come pension you, they'll come begin to pay you money for your old age. Now be the benefit where they inside. You see, now so this life be anything where you they do for this life, where be safe, you know they carry people who make you spoil, like you do your own thing, they go. You they run your race by yourself. Even when sun and rain they beat you, you they sweat, but now you they run your thing by yourself. You go enjoy and reach in the evening. As then day, no wish, nothing. You go enjoy and reach in the evening because why? Now you they run your thing. So Esther Talk Show, I beg you in the name of God, don't tell me you did not see this video. Because why? I give you from now, I say 24 hours. If I check it tomorrow morning, I see my video, I will strike it. I will report to you. And if I report to you, you can't do me anything. If you carry my name, can't use that the video. My was so boy young that way. Imakburu no so away. Imakburu no so away. I don't know for your door. You know be my friend. You know they share me. More than see problem, my people. You know they share somebody. You know they support somebody. You they carry person video go for your people. What kind of thing is that? What are they find trouble? Person go do in your own place and go they find the person trouble. I never go anywhere. When my own they do they go. If they take me 1 year, 2 years to grow, but I want to do my thing. I want to do my own. I want to do my own thing. The thing that I know best. Me, what is it mean? I want to bring it out to build my home. So when I enter inside and lie down, I'll have rest of mind. Nobody will come and start stoning me inside that I use people's sweat to build it. That is what I'm doing with my YouTube channel. My talk some videos I'm doing my page here, not all some of my video I take to my YouTube channel, because of say my YouTube channel is made for healthy lifestyle and how to build up your spiritual life, what you eat in and out. People that are sick, you know, when you are sick, I explained the last time, when you are sick and you want to treat your way in natural way, because God creates everything that many people are still blind. You see all these plants you are seeing, all these natural things you are seeing that we always are seeing, some people don't value to be anything. God loves us so much and he creates all these things for us to use to repair our body. Okay, we take it to treat our body, and at the same time we use it for spiritual things. When you are praying from morning till night, you pray Jesus, Jesus, you pray, and you don't know how to make use of things of the earth to pray for spirituals, for sacrifice. You continue praying, saliva will dry your mouth, your life will remain the same, stagger, you will not have changes. You continue spending money for a native doctor, put all your money there, you will not have changes. Because you have power, you don't know you have power that you can use it. Because you don't know how to use it. You don't know how to invite your guardian spirits to go with you, to guide you. You don't know how to communicate with your guardian spirits. You don't know how to operate it. That is the reason why you are staggered. That is the reason why you are battle, you are strongly. Many of you are in Europe there. You battle from morning till night. You spend money in it, you don't know what to do. But you have gift. There's something on you, but you don't activate it. You don't even know how to communicate with your guardian spirits. You don't know anything about it. You don't know how to have good energy around you and send out bad energy. You don't know all these things. Okay? So something that I know, that is my calling. I knows about it. Then I decide to come out to show people. So my YouTube channel is not for dirtiness. It's not for nonsense thing. It's for great something. That is the reason why some of my video I will do some saga here, some things in my page. I don't like to take it to my YouTube. I always look at the kind of video I put in my YouTube. Okay? I look at the kind of video I put in my YouTube. Like this very one I'm talking, I can put it in my YouTube because I talk concerning my YouTube. Okay, so you will not come and carry my video and take it to YouTube when I'm trying to fight for YouTube to be seeing my video, that I'm going in the right way, so that they will be promoting so that YouTube will promote my YouTube for me. Because when YouTube promotes you, you go higher. And when your YouTube is always clean, you are not taking people videos, you are doing your own thing. Those are the people that YouTube promotes. You are doing your thing. You are bringing what is in you, your talent, what is in you. You are bringing it out. YouTube is watching you. They are saying you. Gradually, they are watching you. It will get some set of video you will have. They will start promoting you. And once YouTube start promoting you, you have gone far. Because our people, if you wait for them, they can't promote you. Many times, can you check go and make I can't go watch your YouTube channel. And most things that you are doing there to help them too. It's for their favor. They will not think of their own favor, that what this person is teaching us free. Some people will say, bring money, let me teach you. What this woman is giving us free, let me go and wash it, let me wash it, let me apply it and see what is going to happen. Now they apply, now they green, now they wash. Now they think, say, okay, it's make I go wash it, won't make I come promote to YouTube because they make money. That's why Africa, we are blind, we are still poor, we are still suffering, we are still struggling. Let me tell you guys one story. Israel. Look at Israel. The God of Israel, we Africa, Israel, we are praying, the God of Israel, Jesus, help me, the God of Moses. We continue disturbing the name of God. We continue calling the God of Israel. We continue praying. Nigerians, we continue praying. Anywhere Nigerians go in the world, we continue praying, pray. We are poor. Nigerians, God bless our lands, everything. Israel. The way Israel worship God, that is not how we worship God. Go to Israel. Israel, they create job. Israel, there is a lot of things for you to do. People are not suffering. People are not angry. Israel, people did not carry church and put in their heads. Israel, they still serve idol. Israel, that you people are calling the God of Israel will strike you. They serve idol. Israel don't believe Jesus. They say that Jesus is not yet. They never born Jesus. Israel not believe, say they don't born Jesus. This Jesus, who will they call you, who will not call, die, kill ourselves. Israel still believe in sacrifice. And Israel is the land that God bless. Israel, no weapon. function against Israel. Israel is the center of their enemy. Center of their enemy. Look at Israel. They have the best. Oh God, Africa. They have the best. When you talk about the best protection, bombo, everything. We Alicia here. Eh? Okay, so Israel, they protect their lands. No bomb you throw to Israel. Why Israel did not start praying? God, oh, protect. Let's pray for God, oh, Papa God, Jesus, oh, help us, oh, protect our land, oh, help us, oh. They will bring bomb. They will destroy Israel. They will frustrate Israel. They will kill all the whole Israelites. But Israel, they use the wisdom that God gives to them to protect their lands. They did not lie down and sleep and start praying. They wake up. Israel people wake up and use the wisdom and create things that will protect their lands, create job for their people. When you go to Israel, when you have strength to work, you go to Israel, you will work 6 months, you will gather enough money and come to Africa and build a mansion. Nigeria will not get job. Graduates all don't come for school. Doctors, they don't talk to criminals. Doctors talk to 419. Yahoo boys, majority of Yahoo boys, 95%, they are graduates. Because we're out of frustration, nothing to do, no job, nothing. Then they carry computer to find their daily, to find their life. Some carry computer, some carry gun, some they kidnap. 95%, they are graduates. Nigeria, no job for students. Person go train pikin go school, pikin don't go school finish, pikin don't go school. Mama don't sew garri with groundnut. So garri, mama don't go fast. So mama always break, papa always break. When you take train pikin come graduate come out, pikin go they find work. Now only people wey know people, now they give their family job. If you don't get person for up, we go give you connection for your pikin to get job. You go find job, carry fight. Even that fight, rain go beat you with that fight. Sun go beat you with that fight. At the end of the day, that's your fight with that's your certificate where they give you. That's your papers. Your name will come clean. Come up for the paper. Will be say sun and rain they beat you. Wait till they carry them from office to office, from office to office. The shoe where you take come out from school, you take graduate. The shoe will come back. Tell me why there will not be a lot of criminals. And upon that, Nigeria has the highest churches. Nigeria have the highest churches of die by fire, die by fire, die by fire. They are praying. They are building more churches. We are going for a street. In one street in Nigeria, you will see about 15 churches. In one Austria, you will see about 10 churches, different churches. That one will there for up winners. That one will there for Martin the Fire. That one will there God ministry. That one, many churches will be in one building. Churches not to room and parlor in Nigeria. Room and parlor for churches for Nigeria. Upon that one, our people are dying. Upon the churches, no job. Upon the churches, hungry won't keep people. Nothing they happen. Upon the churches, no lights, no water, no good roads. And we are still calling in the name of God. Are we not stupid? Nigeria citizens, we are stupid. Because why? We are calling in the name of God. God has already given us life and wisdom for us to use our hands. For us to use our hands to make our country fertile. At the end of the day, we enjoy from it. We eat from it. We do our thing. We build our lands. God has blessed Nigeria land. He gave us everything. We have oil. We have timber. We have cocoa. We have enough acres of. We have everything. God bless Nigeria land. Upon that one, we are calling God every day. What are you guys calling the name of God from every day? Vibrating. Money prayer. When I go join money prayer, you will see the somebody will be shouting. All your voice have tears. Upon that one, your leg fire. Poverty won't kill you. You want to die on poverty. You are calling the name of God. You are frustrating the name of God. Israel people, have you seen Israel people praying madness the way Nigeria are praying? But God bless the land of Israel more than Nigeria. Upon that, they are the circle. They are the middle of their enemies. Their enemies cannot subdue them. God is still with them. They serve idol. They do sacrifice. They don't even believe in Jesus. But they are blessed. God protect them. God love them. Nigeria, wake up. Nigeria will do fasting. They want to die with fasting. They don't know what they call Sunday church in Israel. They don't know what they call Sunday church. It's Saturday, Sabbath day. That was the day that was the day that God raised. That very day, everybody will sit down, eat together. You know, it's a resting day for them. Nigeria not get resting day. Nigeria not get resting day. That Sunday church, upon that one with the suffer. Millions of church. Nigeria is supposed to look like, Nigeria is supposed to be the best country in West Africa. Nigeria is supposed to be the best country in West Africa that people will be running to go there. Nigeria citizen that is frustrated all over the world, that is frustrated in Europe. Many of our sisters and brothers, they are under depression. They are walking on the street. They are talking like a mad person on the street. They have lost their mentality. They are walking on the street. They don't know themselves again. Because why? They went to go and look for things to make them better. No. Just like that. Just like that. Okay? So all those things is going on. All these things is going on. All these things is going on. All these things is going on. We are suffering. Upon that one, we are praying. Light not there for Nigeria. Generator won't keep people. That's all generator as they burn. Fire. Fuel they burn. Tank. Car go carry tanker. You go enter a whole city. You go burn all the old people. At the end of the day, they use buckets with water. They quench fire. Fire will be seen a gas na burn. They're going to use bucket. They're going to go fetch water, come. Oh, yeah, fetch water. They're going to pour them. Nigeria. Now all those things there. And most of our Nigeria people have the same character too. They can't go outside the country. They become a lazy youth outside the country. They cannot work. They cannot do anything for themselves. They cannot help. That's why most of them, they're there for social media. They're there for Facebook, for YouTube. They're going to find people content where they won't carry. Because why? You are lazy. You cannot create your own content. You cannot do your own thing. You want to sit down and use people to climb and use people to become a big person and come out and come and make guarantee, come and show us flashing everything for your people sweats. You're all right. You really all right. So let me small thing. If I they shine, I mean they use my sweat, they shine. As you see me, so even with this my color where they shine, so they enter some, that they go here, they go everywhere. So that if I sit down, I don't say that my rest of minds. Nigeria. They go there too, they go they reason you. We are not helping ourselves. Those churches have taken over the whole places, and we are not, nobody is doing nothing. Nothing is working from the leader to the end. We are not only the leader, both Nigeria citizens, all of us, we are the same. Because if we do not join our hands together, I agree that enough is enough from all these things. Let's start doing things. Nigeria will remain the same. Nigeria will continue being this way, being in darkness. Our people all over the whole place, we don't have respect. Many times I've traveled with Nigeria passport, they disgrace me. They will keep me aside. They will honor Cotonou people. They will honor Togo. They will honor Ghana. They will honor Côte d'Ivoire. They will honor Senegalese. They will honor Congo Gambia. They will honor Guinea-Bissau. Nigeria, they will sash you special. They will sash you special. So the innocent one, people where they clean, will be saying that their own money, they just move their own nice journey. So if I want to travel, once I don't buy my ticket like this, if I think of things when I will pass through from airport, once they don't say transit, oh, my day will just spoil. Once they say transit, my day does spoil for that transit where they just measure the name. I always look for flight that I know that I'm going straight, I'm going to land in Nigeria. Even when it's expensive, I don't care, but I want to go straight. Because transit, the insult on transit with Nigeria passports, you prefer to pay that money and just land and go and that Nigeria you are landing, Nigeria, that airport because you are landing to, another insult for your own lands. Custom can't do it on. Police can't do it on. They go push you here, open this thing. They won't chop you. They will look like lion. Criminals. They believe that you are coming, you have carried all your money in portfolio, you are bringing it. From airport as you are landing, they want to vampire you. They want to suck your blood. They will bring all kinds of law you don't understand. You need to feed this paper. You need to Nigeria. That's why we are suffering. Common Senegal country. That is a Ukoni. I always like to use that word. Senegal is not up. Senegal is not up to Edo State. The whole Edo State is not up to Senegal. Edo State alone is bigger than Senegal. But look at the way they are organized. They follow European system. They don't have what Nigeria have. When Nigeria is talking, Senegal will not talk. But today, Senegal is insulting Nigeria. When they see Nigeria passport, even here, Nigeria ID card is nonsense. You cannot use it to collect money from Western Union. You cannot use it for bank, nothing. But Cotonou can use their ID card to collect money. Togo can use their ID card to collect money in Western Union here. They can use it in a bank. Only Nigeria cannot use their ID card. Without your passport, you are nobody here. You cannot do nothing here. Senegal follow up European system. Everything about them is European. They have 24 hours light. As I'm talking to you, so it's not generator. It's just that you are hearing the noise of company. Because I live in the city, in the middle of company. Senegal have 24 hours light. Senegal have 24 hours water. I don't know how they say boilhole water. Go dig boilhole. It's not in this country. I don't know how to say go and fetch water your neighbor house. I don't know it. Your children go to school. They have European standards. Dustbin, you don't throw it on the street. You have people you pay for dustbin. You pay for canal. You pay for Wi-Fi. They bring Wi-Fi. You bring Wi-Fi in your house. Every month you pay. Everything about Senegal here is European standard. They are following. Nigeria, I don't know the year where they go follow European standard. Now when small countries don't go advance, Nigeria will come begin to learn what those people don't go advance. They don't already go far. That you encourage Nigeria, hey, they say they rain. When I left Nigeria in 1997, I surprised that Côte d'Ivoire was using mobile phone. Côte d'Ivoire was using mobile phone 1997. Even Cotonou, the first phone they was using, it was Alcatel. Alcatel phone was my first phone I bought 1997. Alcatel. And Nigeria was not having mobile phone. Nigeria don't know what they call phone. Nigeria started using for late hour. When I come to Nigeria 2000, I will look at Nigeria people say, people don't have phone, they don't phone. When they started coming, ATN was the first line that came in Nigeria. When ATN came in Nigeria, it was like something else. You see all those boys who carry ATN. I have phone. I'm using ATN line. ATN line. They started making it like this. Meanwhile, small countries have been using it. Market women, they put inside their oja inside the market. They are selling fish. Their phone will ring. They will pick their phone. Bonjour, ça va? For inside market, Nigerian people never reach their hand. As soon as they reach their hand, they carry it like say a big thing. They want to die. We always get it last. We always get it last. That is what is affecting us. We know they follow. See giant of Africa. Now lie, not be giant for anywhere. Una carry last. Because this small country where they around una, they develop more than una. They are exposed more than una, and they are channeled into European system more than you Nigeria people. Nigeria people are still remain one place. Not to say, not to use people brain. Now sabi nothing else. Make I just call this my brother. Now I call him. Hello, bros. Afana, how you doing now? Bros, now wow. Since 3 days now, bros. Area just get as it be. Everything hard, bros. Bros, it's not easy. No hungry won't kill us here. Suffer there for Nigeria. That person where they call bros now, they for beer parlor. He don't be a shit, don't talking, type bet. He belly there for front like this. He dey boost guys. Go shh, make it quiet. Bros, I know that if you just help me with 10K, bros, I beg. Your brother won't die. Bros will come look and say, my brother never eat. Brother say, okay, no worry, okay. Give me your account number. I will try to test you 5. Me after I not hold, but I'll give you 5. Bros, okay, no problem. As he drop, the phone will just ring. This my bros. I don't know what this people they do for Europe. Who said? What did they do for Europe? See. It don't send out 5,000. Now if you just give me, I won't just psych for 10,000. Why you the psych? Now you get in pocket with the psych. Psych your own pocket. If it easy, why you the psych that bros? Then that 5,000, no, you just send and finish. You just saying 5,000. Wait I take boost guys. Now guys say that year now we never chop past 10,000. If we tell these people say if Europe not let to us, men account them, make the count, men account kill them. Make the count, men account kill them. They will still psych you. They want to use your own top the one way they get. Because they don't want lack. They don't want lack. That their belly, they don't want to make it less. They want me that belly they high more. So they don't want lack. So they need extra. So that every day they'll go booze. They'll go ETCAU. They brainwash people where they outside the country. Now they will say that they brainwash. Now the only idea when Nigeria gets life and everything. That's why we can't do nothing. Everything wuru. Because if you try to bring new idea, you will bring new idea. They use gun, they find you out, they want to kill you. Who be you who won't come talk? Because majority now they do this bad thing with it also. They know how to spoil people. You go see some of them, life don't tire them for many years. They don't there for 40-something years, some 50-something. They never get wife, they never marry. Now they make people door they go. This one wife, he not go school. This one wife, he go school. This one Peking, now he speak English pass. This one Peking, don't know how to speak English. This one mama, that gossip can't be their own. They will just go, they make people the more they go. But their own problem, he hang there for neck as I hang this chair for neck. They not fit solve them. You know if you think about yourself, how you go to marry, how you go to settle down, how you go to have children, how you go to make your own idea to get company or to get business. Now just they talk, they go, they gossip, they find where alcohol they, where they go buy and drink. You come put all the whole matter down. The one where you don't see for the week, for the whole places where you don't go, you come put that for the beer parlor. That is Nigerian life. That's why we are not growing. We are not increasing. Because why? We refuse to help ourselves. So we should stop calling the name of God, frustrating the name of God. We should help ourselves. Go and find solution to yourself. Help yourself. Look for job. Let's start crying. Churches, make una use that money for private jets. When I use that to the open company, when I open business, when I open thing, when I begin to apply. I think each churches in Nigeria, if you have up to 3-4 company, and if you let me just say you employ about 200 Nigerian citizens. You know, Nigeria is a large country. At least each churches, if you can open up to 4 company and you employ about 200 Nigeria citizens, all of them do like that, hunger go reduce, kidnapper go reduce, stealing go reduce, all this nonsense that is going on, it will reduce. Because a country where there is no job, it cannot, thief not go finish. Because why? Person go eat, person go survive. When the guys, they don't check, they don't see anything they want to do. What do you want me to do? Person will come say for you to kill himself. You ain't go look for somebody else when you go obtain now. You go look for people picking when you go kill. So you go hard. That is the only way. They bring all the sakaba, they bring everything. When Nigeria, when there is no job for people, when there is no things that will make people to at least receive money, do business, do things. All the millionaires, they will carry out their money. Billionaires will carry out their money, go hide for outside the country, go bank our money everywhere. Carry their wife and their children, come months. They're not there for Nigeria. Now we will be poor people. Now we dey inside, they go to suffer around. They strong go around with our people. If they will die, we will not die. If they will kill ourselves, kill ourselves. So they should stop calling the name of God in vain. Shouting the name of God. Pray. You when they pray. Check yourself. You they pray from January to December. Pray. Check changes. Everything going to hear say testimony and they say this person, hey. After when you just can't get belly. After when you just begin to follow this money, pray, can't get belly. After this one begin to do that, it let on waka. After that one, stop deceiving people. People need to go and help themselves. Don't deceive people. We have suffered a lot in that country. We need to open our eyes. That is the reason why, thank God for social media for today, for us to be enlightening our people, for us to be letting them know that let them stop deceiving you. Wake up. If you don't have job, hungry will kill you. If you like, you call God name from now till end of December. Say you don't get it the way they do. God know they can't answer you. No, they can't answer you. Don't deceive yourself. Go and look for something to do. Help yourself. Stand up. Don't be weak. That time you used to do fasting. Use that thing. Eat food. Get more strength. Enter street. Go hustle. Wake up in the morning and say, God, I thank you. Just give God the grace. For you believe that you have thanked him and you believe that he have answered you. You are good to go for the day. You are good to go for the day and go and do what you want to do. Don't let any man of God keep you in the name of fasting. Many people have died with fasting. They will be there fast. Upon that will not change. As it be, now it be. Some people, they sick. They go there, they fast. You go there when they fight, they die inside the sickness. You don't go cure yourself. You don't go find solution. So God creates everything for a purpose. Prayer without sacrifice. If you get problem, you dey pray. You know they do sacrifice. You don't know how to use spiritual sacrifice and all those things. All these plants, everything that God creates, you don't know how to use it to build up your spiritual life. If you like, you put your hand like this. You pray from now to 20 years to come. You have that your problem. You know they solve. You remain the same thing. Pastor will see the whole you. Don't worry. It will soon solve. It will soon solve. You will come old inside. You old inside. Some will die inside. That means some people say God there, so people say, is it God exists? God is existing. God is real because you don't know how to communicate with him. You believe in one way. You all believe. But what you believe, Israel doesn't believe that way. But Israel is blessed more than your land. Israel, look at Israel. God loved them. Look at everything they have. Look at the center of their enemy. Upon that one, their enemy cannot bring them down. Look at Nigeria. We are not in the center of our enemy. We are in the center of our people, that our lovers. We are in the center of our lovers. Upon that one, we are dying. Our lovers is progressing. Just imagine. Our lovers, so we therefore God put us a center of people that love us, and God now make us giants. God now put small countries to surround us that we hope on us. The country that will be begging to eat from us, God now keep them around us. He now make us to be great. For you to know that Nigeria is the Israel of West Africa. God now make us to be great. He now give us everything in our land. Bless us because he loves us so much. They now put small countries, so that those small countries that surround us, they will survive through us. But now we go this now the small country where they are around us, we gonna go there. They beg them, they give us food to eat to survive. Shameful thing. Small countries were supposed to survive through us. Now we the wrong go meet. Now their place we there now. Now we they happy say life they okay for us. Now Nigeria will be giant of Africa now, and it's small country going to feed Nigerians will be giant of Africa, and Nigerians will be giant of Africa supposed to feed those small country we surround. Then Israel now small country, God make it small, and you know keep all those giant countries around Israel, and all those people in that Israel enemy. Now Israel small, so Israel now defeats the big countries, the enemies that is around there. Wake up and know that you go just dead, die by fire kill you too, you die inside that fire too. You know go better, you know go lift up, you know go anywhere, you know go bright, because while you are blind, you are mumu. Our moon don't do too much. You know go anywhere. You go dead, die by fire. Your throat, for you know till they happen, gutter, your neck will come swell up. You go dead. Papa God don't send you. Now you send yourself message. Now you know what you are pastor they pray die by fire for. Now you know fire with the key. He not send you message because why? He don't create you and he give you guidance spirit that is going with you. He gives you guidance spirit that is going with you. It is you that you don't know how to activate. It is you that don't know how to communicate with your guidance spirit. It is you that don't know how to use things of the earth to build yourself, to build your guidance spirit, to protect yourself, to move on, because he gave you all. It is you that don't know it. That is the reason why a pastor placed you as a die by fire. I mean, you did it, die by fire. Because poverty will come kill you. You don't go marry, you don't go bump it, you go dead there. You don't go change clothes, all your shoes don't fire. You go there, they give people testimony. That bros go there, that's how your life change. But they give people who say people won't change, and your own not they change. You don't go ask yourself what did they happen. Why your own life not they change? Why people own they change, your own not they change? Because why your mumu don't they too much? That make your own not change, that make you remain the same place. Those are the problems we are passing through. So it takes years for some people to be wise, to know that now so we're supposed to do them. Because while many of them, their mumu is too much. That make they oppress them. You don't get money, you never eat for many days. Pastor say you go do 40 days, maybe you go do 3 days fasting. You don't go ask that person, say you won't kill me. I don't get money, hungry won't kill me. You should make I go do 3 days dry fasting. Now man will come from heaven. As you did they do that 3 days fasting, man will come from heaven. And as you mumu reach, you go still go do on that 3 days. Now hunger strike now you they do, not be fasting, because God not see you. Agent of God not see you, nobody see you. This guardian spirit where they follow you, verse leave you. That's why many of them not get my guardian spirit again, because why una mumu make una guardian spirit verse leave you. Now you can't go somebody, you can't go far to somebody else. Una come begin to suffer, una come dey waka for inside air dey blown up and down, because why? Una mumu don pursue una guidance, because the guidance people dey follow don vex tire say wetin dey worry you. E don give you side, you know the year your ear block. Now e vex leave you say na you sabi dey inside there, they die by fire there. Now make many poor. Just imagine. Look at Muslim, look at Christian. Christians they are poor. Christians they are poor. Only pastors now rich, because why they used the members to be rich. Simple logic. They use the member to be rich. I was one of them before. I was one of them mumu. What they call them? I was one of them mumu like them before. Now we be the highest. Now we they go church. We get a program Monday. We get program Tuesday. We get program Wednesday. We get program Thursday. We get program Saturday. We get church service. I they sing for choir. We say they for choir. We sing join now. Everything that we do, pastor said so we don't, and we they go watch church, and we they do everything. Any money we tell you, you don't put for business. I beg make I take title. Don't put that for envelope. I beg Sunday I go pay my title. My life remain stagger like this. All those years I did not see light, no light of God. I did not see it. That I was young, I did not see. It's God that pushed me to go and meet somebody and let me know that hit me say you they sleep. What do you do? Which kind of church? Which kind of pastor? You will remain like this and be poor for the days of your life. You remain like this and be suffering for the days of your life. You will remain pursuing who did not do you. You will never have light. Before I activate my guardian spirit today, I know that is, and I know that, wow. So God loves us so much, and He make us to be great like this. But those parts, they don't know teach you. Because if they teach you, will come church. If they can't teach you, make you know your power, make you know how to operate your life, make you know how to follow up some certain things in your life. Who will come church? Who will come buy private jets? So they will not teach you, they will hide it. So that they will continue to do like mumu, they follow them. Mumu, they follow them. They go there, they press your head, they pray for your head, they tap your current, they tap your anointing, they tap the gift where God give you, where you go take come with somebody. They will tap all, remove everything from you and put it in their own. They will be giving you other side of Bible. Now, not say Bible big. Bible is big. There's a lot of things in Bible. Take your time and be reading your Bible. Be reading. You will trace so many things. You will now understand when they say your spiritual life, your guardian spirit, sacrifice, protection. You will see it. The same that Bible that pastors are carrying, praying. By the time you take your time, started reading it one by one, you will arrive there. When you now arrive, you now say, Pastor, why not they tell us this one for church? They not go tell you. Now that one I pastor to they protect himself, now they build in power, now they follow now. You know what tell you because why? You know want to make everybody wise now. You want to make mumu stay inside church. If mumu not there for church, who go pay off free? Who go lift up the church? Who go buy private jet? Who go buy car? Now mumu don't do too much. So now I make today we there like this. So I beg, and not everybody like mumu. Many people don't be before I be mumu. But now not be more, I don't wise. I don't know what's in there. So I beg, I don't carry my video because if I come out, and they come out, come give my people things with me I don't know. Mugu I don't be before people chop me. The idea and they come here, come and light my people. Come tell they say this one day, if you never see them, it's before you go come across them. This thing they happen like this, so this thing they happen like this, so this thing they happen like this thing they happen like this, so those who won't learn, they will learn. Those who be saying they be oversabi, oversabi housewife. Those ones who say that they know everything. Now they speak grammar pass. Upon that one, they remain the same place. They go there inside house for night. They go they cry. Their pillow go they soak. Because they too feel big. Because they too do oversabi. They don't want go meet person where no. Make that person for teach them. Make them for go lower. Before me I arrive today, I go lower to get my dream. To really detect who am me. You understand? You be somebody you cannot know until somebody activates you. Until somebody tell you that this is where you will go. Not everybody is gifted. It's special people. Not everybody is gifted from spiritual. It's special people that is gifted. And when you are gifted and you don't know how to make use of it, people will make use of you. Not everybody is special. So those special people that is gifted, they are the only people that can help you out. Because God did not make that thing special. He don't give it to everybody. Special people that have that spiritual gift. So please, my people, make we not keep our eye blind. If you see person where you get down, embrace that person. Make that person make it open your eye, make it show you way, so that you know will be mumu forever. Our mumu don't do too much. I beg, I will say I can't talk with this, my people. I beg. So Esther Talk Show, please go and take out my video. 24 hours. So now all of na day here. You start bearing me. All of na day where I can't talk now. You start bearing. Go and remove it now for Africa now not be you the same money for me to buy my network. Now Africa will see I people there for the next 2 hours. My network, I mean the chest I say that table stock. I mean the chest on my network. I mean they pay my network. Now I mean you know they send me money. Even my beautiful some of my beautiful mommy will say that they bless me every month. They will just say when me say with that shoot this, with that shoot that. They never carry my video. If those one carry my video, I know will just worry. I know will just worry because they contribute to my life too. They support me. I know just worry, but those ones they don't care. They don't even need them. They don't even need them. They push me more. They add more idea for me. They tell me say go here, do it like this, do it that way, do it that way. When person will come out and they praise the person, say you love the person, and go they jealous. Person will do good for you, go talk am now. I been a bad thing. Ne do a man who say low man. Now anybody will do good for you for life, will promote you, will show you roads. Praise that person. Don't care what the person will come talk. Praise that person. Because why? Good people not plenty. And that's why I talk one they say they get many people we say they do for somebody, they don't they come and talk. Here what gunu. Now those people not be giver. Not be giver. Somebody go there. You go just call somebody, give her 300 euro, 400 euro, 150. You don't call her something. And that person go say, if I say we'll talk for a live video, but you know go come live video, come talk him. You know go talk him, you know go do like say he give you something. That person now be godly person, now be giver. Some people they will give you 1 naira, they'll come and answer. I say I just gonna give her 1 naira, the other way they hungry. I say I just gonna give her dash and 15 naira, the other. You know be giver. That one be saying I be amebo. All wanna give if he gives to you, they look your waist. Like person will borrow you cloth. You borrow person cloth, you look person way. Don't say that well. I better not go tear that cloth. You go look. Everybody will come know. The way you go to they look your waist for the party. Everybody will come know. So now he borrow you. Now he borrow you. That gang with that girl wear and you borrow one. Because they look you. Once person just tell you say this your gown fine oh. This thing fits you. You can't look like this like a gun me and what's yana. A gun or the bird of the borrow me. Gun me what's yana. That's why sometimes don't borrow from people. If now rag you get, wash your rag, wear them. Because not everybody will give you with good hearts. So people will give you, they are givers, now their life, they know they can't have to be anything. Once they give you, they don't give you, they come on there. They know they remember. Those kind of people, no arrow where you want throw, where you go meet that kind of person. Why? You know they meet them because why? That person, they walk with godly heart. And those kind of people, they are spiritual. Because they know the meaning of that thing in spiritual realm. They know. So they give you, and anything they give you to make changes in your life. Because they know how that gift will come to them again. That is it. That is the reason why the gift is not for everybody. So it's for special people. So my people, I beg, make you do things right though. I not feel fight to they put it in the bank. It's a baby. It's on social media. Everybody here doing they go. Even they take me 100 years to build up my page, no problem. I'll just go small, they do my things small. I don't they run, they go anywhere. Not being now that I carry. I'm not say anything for my page. I'm saying for my Facebook. My YouTube, I just monetize my YouTube. So I they pay rent things. My skin, I they take care of my body. My children, I they take care of my family. Everything is okay. Okay? So please, Mogo just they go small. They grow, they go small. God go do. Mogo not carry anybody video. When I know see the person they climb, they come small. Man not carry them. I beg. The reason why I put ODS show, Kate, but the reason why I put up my video, because I helped me build up my YouTube. That's how they talking matter. Now she helped me build my YouTube. Now she helped me tell me say page the way they open. So if I see someone on the hot and they carry in video, they pay me. If they pay me, not they good. Because not be everybody will tell you say see how to fish. Not be everybody. Maybe they tell ourselves the truth. Tomorrow now I will say, hey, don't complain. I go talk him. I want to go and answer. I will say no tie. Okpome say when I win your dobe. Okpome say or when I win your dobe. When person do good for you, talk him. You understand? Talk him. And so it be. So that's how this life be. Now you go talk him. Not me that person go announce you. That's how the thing be. Person will do for you. Like me, if I do for somebody, I don't go talk as I do for somebody. Ita you no money. Meta wa. On money, or her tie, that person will be saying a dope voice of truth. She get good heart too. Me, I will call the shame because what me I do for you, I know how you work in spiritual realm. I just do it for you. I will still get it back. That is how people that have gifts. That is how they operate. You see all those ones who say, "But when you give your hey, even that I give my friend 100. I know they laugh at more, but I give them. You don't talk them. You're like, oh dear, wait or say, I don't know how to curse or work, but you don't. I'm not able for it. I don't know how to say, I don't know how to if I do good for somebody, I don't know how to talk them more. But you don't talk them. Why you talk them at all? Why you talk them? If you not just talk them at all, if you just forget about the thing, not just talk the thing at all. For you to talk them, let me say, who will Anna say, who will I go? You don't talk them, But if you just close your mouth, if you not just talk them at all. So my people, I beg. Ne do man say lo ama. When you leave me, I beg. Isabelle, we the baby tie. Nina ni what say Isabelle for English. Me say I not fit for trouble. I not fit for trouble. I beg. I not get strength. I not fit fight. You see me here, so I too like my body, my skin. I too like them. No mark, nothing. So I dey take my time to polish my skin for Africa nowadays. So my skin I polish them. I don't best come worry me for no be on my own. Isabelle. So I beg, when I just leave my video the way it did for me. I take God beg you now. So thank you so much. This is a Dope Voice of Truth, guys. It's a Dope Voice of Truth where we talk about things that will make us happy. Yeah, things that will make us happy. You know, this is what we talk in a Dope Voice of Truth. So that is it. So please like me and follow me, oh my people. Like and follow. Maybe they do small, they help ourselves, they go. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you guys for being there. Cannot feel you, cannot feel you. If I say you don't stand there, you can't stand there, you look me. When you say you like me, you look me, say, oh, I too love this, my mama. Thank you so much for just being there watching me alone. Much love to you all, and I so much appreciate. I bet more learn how to respect ourselves, more learn how to help ourselves, more learn how to push the goal small. I beg, more try to understand. Let me say person will cry, come on, I can't say that person that wish, that person that this, that person that that, because that person can't talk truth, he can't talk idea for minds, but I can't change the story. I can't begin to tell that person what he's not supposed to be. It's not good though. Yeah, we better ya boy in it though. If now you they do that thing to you, know will like him. And anything we know so they know will do to you, not do to somebody. Understand? This life too sweet. Make we just dey push dey go. Once they push they go. I don't like as things they go small for social media now. No, we just they go. If anybody offend you, meet that person in the right way. Okay? And so it be. This time so it be nothing more than that. I take God beg una. Now what me I see inside with that one. So please, I beg all of you, I beg. No, they go small. I love you all. Love you all. Thank you so much. Esther Talk Show. Yeah, I'm video where you want to. Una don't hear am now. Say, "Mama, sorry, I talk am here." Isa bebe o. You don't tie. You know you go bogoya o. You know don't tie because when man who beg him, I don't want to see some my eyes inside the vest. I make I bogoni ya. You see, I don't want to see inside the vest. I make I put this ogo because if I remove this ogo for face, inside my eye, at the first when I see that video, it means I do karate. If I say I will fit from here, do karate. I will just karate that video down before I will come here. So I just give you the first respect. Go and put it down. I don't want like say okay now. Sorry, I don't know. I don't need sorry. Just come out and remove the video completely. Delete it from your channel. The end completely. Because why? I'm still growing. Okay, if I don't grow reach Davido, no worry, carry on. I don't send you, no problem. Now the dustbin way they inside, you not concern me. But the fact that I'm still growing, you have no right to carry my video and put in your YouTube channel, please. And I don't want my YouTube channel to my picture to show for inside that dustbin. Everything will put picture like this. Now put the other one like this. Now put skeleton head. Now can't put the other person head. Now can't put the one where they cry. As now do here. Now carry rest in peace. Now carry picture where they cry. Now she that kill that person. Now ODA kill that person. Wicked people. You carry person where die. Put a person will not die. When we say you not concern that person. You carry that person picture. You carry Papa and Nera. You carry easy picture. You put on and they find trouble. When is he go on in live video and I call insult and answer and say it don't start. Where ODA go insult and say your own day too long. Now they put red for your video. But now the truth where they say be that one. What kind of dirty money is that? Very annoying. If let's say you still carry only in video and for still day good, you don't carry only in video. You carry everything join now. My own to where you carry to. You carry person where they cry. I beat anybody. Esther Talk Show. I beat anybody. I beat anybody when you carry person where they cry. Join my video for your YouTube. Me I get mine to make person cry. What we give again? You carry person where they cry. You put on there. I beat anybody. I don't see me say I fight anybody. I take God beg you. Not for my trouble, no. I take God beg you. Go remove that video because why they report you. Not say I not tell you. I they report you. Use your hand. It better make you use your hand remove them than YouTube will help you give you strike. Say somebody give you strike. Choose one of the two. Either you remove them or I go strike the video. One of the two that you go choose you. I beg. Use your hand. Go delete that. Come out and back, remove them. Bring her down. Fall them. I take God beg you. If I did for life, don't watch me. After you know they share me. I go to your page. I don't see my video for your page. But you carry my video only I go make money. That is not wickedness. I beg now wait till I can't talk with this one. Thank you so much, my people. I just love all of you. I beg. I just love you. I just appreciate you all. Thank you so much for being here for this Edo Voice of Truth. We don't do saga. Man, don't invite me come because I don't get power. If I want, I will just begin to do that. Prayer with me I go do for not be die by fire. I will do anybody who will invite me, who will find my trouble. My own prayer, what I will do for this prayer when I sit down. So this Africa right here when I did so. My own prayer, don't be die by fire. Now special prayer. You also say you will see her for body. You don't say no, not near that woman. No. Just if you want that woman being friends and gain from her that to fight her. Now what you will use your mouth to confess. When you will see what you want to see. So just leave me as you see me so that happy mommy I be. Now maybe happiness and love. Now happiness and love mommy now be. We don't fight. We don't put pay for people. Now good thing we dey talk about. How life go take go, how life go take move on. I go take better for you, better for me. Now happiness mommy day after. I not day after Sioma Koto. Because why? No profits, no gain. If you Sioma Koto today, you go come carry this word. If you kill somebody now, they'll come give you in property, or they'll come give you in life, they'll come give you his children, they'll come give you his husband. No. You just kill her, and you go kill her, so you will still go. You will live here forever. No. So when you know all those things, let the life move freely. Let people enjoy themselves. Do your own, I do my own. If you have anything you want to ask me, you come to me. If I have, I give to you. If I don't have, I show you the road. Life is like this, you know. Not that people will come to now. Now they record the person. Person come to you. Don't carry the person name. Won't carry and go. You won't go disgruntle the person, you won't go frustrate the person in life. Nonsense life. That's why you are doing that. Many of you will not grow. You will not grow because sometimes someone that will change your life, that God want to send to you, that will connect you to meet your destiny where you are looking for. Because of say that bad hobby where you get, where you take the record, go say, the record will go say, you can't go, that person will come. You don't know say that person that your savior. You can't go record that person, go say. That's so your life will come. You can't fall inside hole. You can't pour for the days of your life. You don't sell out your destiny. You don't sell out your opportunity. So that's why some certain bad character, it is not good to live with it long. Wake up and live it so that you don't miss your destiny, don't miss your luck. And the advice I can give to those people who say if they call you, they go to record you, maybe they go say your video. Many of them don't call me here. If they call me, say they're surprised because why? Anything when I tell you, now I go talk my live video. So if they send you or I will send you, may come use other people near me, may come like me, come record me. You don't get anything. The thing you go get from me, you go get spiritual talk. A spiritual talk you go carry, go give them. So like with that spiritual talk to go hit the person who send you. You don't go get no good thing from me where you won't go say. My own recording and bad market. My bad market because why this brain carry a lot of things. I know it's in there. So now so it be. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I love you all. See you in my next video, guys. As usual, I don't necessarily follow the page. Like me and follow me. Like me and follow me. If you love me, like and follow me and share this video. If you love me, if you like me, like and follow me and share this video. And press that toko bell there. Press that so that wherever I'm in life, if I did for live video, if I just enter, it will just go ring you. Bang, bang, bang. And the voice of truth is there for truth again. Oh yeah, oh, come put your ear. Oh, you will just run, come join me. Now so it be. Oh, all right. Love you guys. Bye bye. More kisses. Love you and see you. Have a nice day. We have a very beautiful weather today. Sunny. You know, summer. I don't say for not too. Now summer not day too. So more video to show when we go to beach. Love you. Bye. Ciao, ciao. Is you.